Welcome to our comparison video, where we take a closer look at two innovative countertop dishwashers designed for small spaces. Today, we will be comparing the AIRMSEN portable countertop dishwasher, known for its 5 washing programs and built-in water tank, against the 4-mode countertop dishwasher, which offers versatile cleaning modes and easy water absorption options. Let's dive into the details and see which one is the better choice for your kitchen needs. When it comes to pricing, the AIRMSEN portable countertop dishwasher is priced at $379 United States dollars, while the 4-mode countertop dishwasher is slightly more affordable at $359 United States dollars. This price difference may influence your decision, especially if you're on a budget. Both products offer unique features, but the cost could be a deciding factor for many buyers. The AIRMSEN model boasts 5 washing programs, providing versatility for different cleaning needs, while the 4-mode countertop dishwasher offers 4 cleaning modes along with a drying and disinfection mode. This feature set may appeal to users looking for specific washing options tailored to their dishwashing requirements. The AIRMSEN portable countertop dishwasher features a built-in water tank, making it convenient for users without a direct water hookup. In contrast, the 4-mode countertop dishwasher can connect to a faucet or a bucket for water absorption, providing flexibility in how you set it up in your kitchen. This could be a significant advantage for those in apartments or RVs. In conclusion, both the AIRMSEN portable countertop dishwasher and the 4-mode countertop dishwasher offer unique features that cater to different needs. The AIRMSEN model provides more washing programs, while the 4-mode model offers flexible water absorption options. Depending on your budget and specific requirements, either could be a great addition to your kitchen. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.